Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check all the media in chat in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. Then go ahead and select the friend who you want to see all of the media you shared with. So after you do this, go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right hand side and you can see all media. After you click on all media, you can see there are categories like media, files, audio and all. So if you want to see all of the shared media, you can tap on all and you can see the individual media shared by you and your favorite person. So you can easily access this. Go ahead and click on the three dots, click on all media and you can see some of the media options, the files you have sent, the audio you have sent. You can even play this from here. And then if you want to see all of the details, you can see it. And if you want to sort it out, just go ahead and click on this newest option and you can sort it out by newest, oldest and storage used. So this is how easy it is to check all the media in your chat in Signal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.